guys, welcome to Going Guitar. I Can Play This Song Forever. This is from Zara Larsson and Muni collab Midnight Sun. Alright, Forever Lasting Midnight Sun. Sarah, who is my fellow Swede, she's a great artist. I know about her a lot, not in a very strange way, but as an artist. And we're gonna play this song without any capo. You can see that 4 chords rolling in the same way through the entire song. Let's go into it, and we're gonna look into the first chord, which is the E, and that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Next chord, B minor as a bar minor. No, not really, but anyway, you're gonna place a bar here on the 2nd fret. You're gonna push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this, and then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. That's the B minor. Next comes D, and that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally we have A. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And there you have the order. You're gonna play that from the beginning till the end. And I choose a pattern, if you grab the E, that sounds like this. Okay, it's not that long, but I mean that is 4 rounds. 1 round is down, up, a short pause, and then up, down, up. So down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so there you have it, and now we're gonna play the order E, B minor, D, A. The same, we'll learn the chord, and you're gonna play 2 strum rounds per chord. Sounds like this. E, E, B minor, D, and A. Alright guys, this is a very easy story. That's how you do it. Zara Larsson's Muni Midnight Sun. That's the title of it. Hope you enjoyed it. And if it was helpful, then help me back. Give me a like on this one. And be back for next time. Thank you so much, guys. Play tuned.